So y'all, I'm just showing what we putting on the truck for this week. So I got some cereal, I got wipes, some kind bars, trying to eat a little healthier, some mangoes, got about 5 mangoes. I'm a night driver, so I eat seeds to keep me up and alert. We got forks and spoons, we got tuna, and that was sweet relish for the tuna. We got milk for the cereal. We got soap. We had to re-up on our soap and trash bags and hot sauce, and that was just a little container that we used to put the soap in for the showers. And we meal prep this week, so we got watermelon to eat. And I had meal prepped. I did salmon, rice, and sweet potatoes, and we got fish. Then we got some neck bones and rice, and I think that was about it. But yeah, that's the end of this vlog, y'all. I just had to do a voiceover. My kids was in and out of the truck making noise, so I had to do a voiceover. Thank y'all for watching.